Hi, I've got a special RJ45 plug here, which doesn't require a crimping tool, and in this video I'll show you how to use it. Theoretically, it's simple, but I made a few mistakes at first myself. You can buy this kind of plug for category 6 and 7. This is what the plug looks like. It's metal. Inside the plug, there's a mounting element, where we'll lay the wires. I'll use the B standard. Since I already have another plug like that, I arrange them by color on this element. The top part is for wires inserted through holes, and the bottom is for ones slid in from underneath. It's worth dividing and arranging them right away. Next, I trim the wires. It's important the pressed ones are shorter. Now I can place the element inside the plug and close it. At first, it wasn't that easy. Then the strain relief. You should hear a click when closing, and the plug should be completely shut. Only then will the wires be properly positioned. Now you can put on the boot. Time to test it. How do I rate this method? Harder, more time-consuming, easier to make mistakes. I definitely prefer a regular crimping tool, but if I don't have one, this plug will do the job too? Write in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching and see you next time.